Hi Anna, and today we are going to learn about factorizing single brackets. So we have already done expanding of one bracket, expanding of double bracket, and expanding of triple bracket in previous lesson. So today's lesson is based on factorizing. Let's see questions one by one. Okay, so if question is like this, 3x plus 6. How to factorize it? Yeah. So to factorize, first of all, what you need to do, write down a bracket here, okay, and you need to see in which timetable 3 and 6 is coming, and our main focus is highest common factor, okay. This is what we are looking, yeah. So we are looking for highest common factor, okay. So in which timetable 3 and 6 comes? So definitely in 3 timetable 6 comes, so you can write down 3 outside. Now, whatever number you have written outside, by this number, you can divide this, yeah? So 3x was there first term, you divided by 3, and cx, it was 6, you also divide by 3. So what is happening? So 3 and 3 will be cancelled out, and 6 divided by 3 is 2, and here it is x, bracket closed, and outside 3. Okay, so if you multiply again, so it will be 3 times x is 3x and 3 times 2 is 6. That is your required answer. Okay, you can do this question like this as well. If it is 3x plus 6, so highest common factor of 3 and 6 is 3. So write down 3 outside. So which number you can put it here, because x is there. So by which number you will multiply? So it will be 3 times 1 is 3x. So it will be 3x. Okay. Which number you will put here, so that if you multiply you should get 6. So it will be 1x plus 2. So 1 we don't write in algebra. So write down 3 here. 1 times x is x and x plus 2. Okay. You can choose any method, yeah, to explain this. Now, if I take another example, suppose 10x plus 50. Yeah. So what we are looking for? We are looking for highest common factor. Yeah. So if I say in which timetable 10 and 50 comes, you can say, okay, in 2 timetable 10 and 50 comes, right? Then after that in 5 timetable 10 and 50 comes, and then last number is 10. In 10 timetable 10 and 50 comes. So we are looking for highest common factor. So their highest common factor is 10. So first of all, you may write down a bracket here, okay, and this 10 is coming out, so write down 10 here, okay. If 10 is out, it means this first term 10x should be divided by 10. So let's write down here 10x should be divided by 10, and then this 50 also divided by 10. Okay, so 10 is outside. Okay, here 10 is outside. This 10 and 10 is cancelled out, so we are left with x, and 50 divided by 10 is 5, so x plus 5. If you don't understand this way, you can learn this way as well, like it is 10x plus 50. Okay, so highest common factor 10 is out. So what is coming in the bracket? So by which number you will multiply so that you should get 10x inside the bracket? So definitely it is 1x. So 10 times 1 is 10x. So you're getting this term. Now, then this plus sign. Okay, which number you should write here so that on multiplication you should get 50? So definitely it is 5. So 10 times 5 is 50. So 1 we don't write in algebra. So you can write down 10x plus 5. So I have explained you two methods, and with the help of these methods, which one you like, you can use it here. In both ways, answer is same. Okay, so I'm giving you a few practice questions, and you can pause the video and have a go. Okay, let's go for the questions. So I will ask whoever is there, you can pause the video, and once you have done, then you can check your answer with my working. Please pause the video. Welcome back. If you have tried, now you can see what is our key number here, that is highest common factor. Yeah. So in which timetable 3 and 15 comes? So definitely it is 3. So 3 is outside. Put bracket. Now what we can write down here? 1x. 3 times 1 is 3x. And this 15 divided by 3 is 5. So it will be x plus 5. So you can write down 3x plus 5. Okay. Now here highest common factor is 5. 5 is outside. So 5x divided by 5. So it is x, 1x. So 1 we don't write. And 20 divided by 5 is 4. You can always cross check. If you see 5 times x is 5x, you are getting this. And if you multiply 5 times plus 4 is plus 20. You're getting back your question. 9x minus 27. So 3 time table 9 and 27 comes, but we need to look for highest common factor. So it is 9. So write down 9 outside and bracket closed. 9x divided by 9. So if you divide 9x by 9, so 9 and 9 cancel, it is 1x. So it is x. And 27 divided by 9, it is 3, and minus sign in between. So it is 9x minus 3. Okay, here 2 is coming out. So 2x divided by 2, that is x, and 30 divided by 2 is 15. Okay, now here we can take 2. In 2 timetable 6 and 18 comes. Is there any highest common factor in between? So let's take 3. In 3 timetable 6 and 18 comes. We can go for more higher. 6. In 6 timetable 6 and 18 comes. That is the highest common factor we can take. So 6 is outside here. So 6 is outside here. Put bracket. 6x divided by 6. So 6x divided by 6. 6 and 6 cancel. We got x. Then minus sign in between. 18 divided by 6. So 18 divided by 6 is 3. So we can write down x minus 3. Okay. 9 outside here. So I'm going for highest common factor. So 9x divided by 9, that is x, and 27 divided by 9 is 3. So 9x minus 3. So guys, I hope this is okay. Now in next questions, we are going to see some different problems here. So please mark your answers and get ready for the next questions. Okay, if you see, here's next question. It is x square minus x3. Okay, and we need to factorize it. So for factorize, we need to go for highest common factor. Okay, so this question we can understand this way, x square. So suppose this is x. So here x is 2. So I've made here 2 people. Now minus x is 3. So we can make 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and this is house 1. They are living in this house. Okay, and this is another house. They are living in this house. Okay, now we need to take out common number of people from each house. So how many we can take out from this house and this house? And remember, number should be common. So any idea? Yes, that's right. We can take 2 from here and 2 from here. So when 2 people are going out, okay, so this house will be empty. Empty means 1. Okay, then this minus sign, and there were 3 people, so 2 are already out, 1 left, so it is factorizing. So similarly here x square is basically x times x. I'm putting dot, and x3 means x dot x dot x. Okay, so how many x's we can take out? So 2 from here and 2 from here. So these 2 x's from here and these 2 x's from here. So we are going to put them out. So x and x is out. So in algebra, when this place is empty, we write 1. Why? Because I explained in the previous question 2x minus 4. Okay, if 2 is out, so you divide 2x by 2. You divide 4 by 2. So 2 and 2 cancel, we got 1x, right? So if it is like this, 2 minus 4x. So if 2 is out, so 2 divided by 2, then that is 1. 4 divided by 2, that is 2. So 1 minus 2x. Okay, so that's why here place is empty. We are going to write down 1. Then this minus sign. 2x is already out, so 1x left here. So you can leave your answer in this form or index form. How many x's are there? 2. So x to the power 2, and it is 1 minus x. I hope it is clear. I will try to explain you another question. If it is x square y, and here it is xy, okay, and we need to factorize it. So if you see, first of all, you put bracket and sort out one by one. Here x is 2, here x is 1. If there is nothing, so it means 1. So 1x will be out. Okay, do not touch y. 1x will be out. So out of 2x, 1x is out, so 1x left, and this y we are not putting now, and here 1x is out, so nothing left, so that is 1. And if you see, y is here and y is here, so we can take y also out. So y also out, so y is out, so 1 left, place is empty, and here also 1 left. So it is not 11, it is 1 times 1. So xy, x times 1 is x minus 1. I have explained you in detail. I can explain you in short way like this: x square y minus xy. Okay, so see here. Here x is 2, here x is 1, so 1x is out. Here y is 1, here y is 1, so 1y is out. So what is left here? Out of x square y, 1xy is out. So 1x left. Out of xy is out, so nothing is left. So no need to write down 0, write down 1. So it will be xy, x minus 1. I hope it's okay. Now I'm going to give you some questions and then you can try. So if you want to pause the video, you can pause the video here and copy down these questions in your exercise book. And if you don't want to copy down, you have already done that, so then it's okay. Yeah. Otherwise, you can ask any teacher, they can pause the video and you can write down these questions. Okay. Now these questions you need to try. So x3 minus x4, factorize. X square minus x. Okay. x5 minus x4, and here it is y2 minus y, and here y3 minus y, and here it is 2y3 minus y. Okay, please pause the video and have a go. So welcome back if you have tried. So see here, it is x to the power 3 and x to the power 4. So it means maximum x3 we can take from here and here. So x3 is coming out. So x3 divided by x3, it is 1. Then this minus sign. x4 divided by x3. So we know indices rule, x4 divided by x3. So it will be 4 minus 3, that is x1. Okay, so it is x. And if you want to do it baby way, like x to the power 4 divided by x3, so you can do it like this: x to the power 4 divided by x3. So there are 4x, 1, 2, 3, and 4x, and in the denominator there are 3x. Okay, so x and x cancel, top x cancel by bottom x, top x cancel by bottom x. So 1x left. So that's why here. So you can do it any way, whatever you feel like. Yeah. So let's rub this. Okay. So let's do this question. Put bracket. Here x has 2. Here x has 1. So 1x you can take from here and 1x you can take from here. So out of 2, 1x is out. So 1x left. And then this minus sign. There was only 1x, so 1x is already out. So x divided by x is 1. So x minus 1. Okay. In this question, x5 minus x4. Okay. So here x is 5, here x is 4. So maximum x4 we can take from here and here. So once x4 is out, so from 5, 4 is out. So only one x left. And from 4, 4 is out, so nothing left, that is 1. So x minus 1. Why? Again I can explain you. When x4 is out, so x4 divided by x4, that is 1. Like 2 divided by 2 is 1, 5 divided by 5 is 1, so x4 divided by x4 is also 1. Or you can apply indices rule x, 4 minus 4, that is x to the power 0. Any number which has power 0, it's 1. So there are plenty of ways to do that. You just need to understand which method is suitable for you. Okay, so let me rub this. Okay, now here y square minus y. So here y is 1, here y is 2. So y is out. So y square divided by y, that is y, and this is minus 1. Here y is 3 and here is y1. So 1y is out. So out of 3, when 1y is out, so y is square, and then this minus sign. 1y is already out, so place is empty, it is 1. Or you can say y divided by y is 1. Here, if you see, it is 2y3 minus y. So y, what you can take? 2 is here, but there is no 2, so there is no point talking about 2 here. Y is 3 and here y is 1. So maximum y you can take out. So what is left here? 2, y3, 1y is out, so y2, y1, so 1y is out, so nothing left, so we are going to write down 1. So y, 2y square minus 1. I hope things are clear. Okay, so last thing is different question now. So if question is like this, 2x cube and 4x. So how to factorize? Yeah. So if you see, there is 2 and there is 4. So let's sort out number first here. I'm doing step by step. So first sort out numbers. Sort out numbers. So in 2 timetable 4 comes and 2 is the highest factor. So you can take out. So 2 is out. So what is left here? X3 and 4 divided by 2 is 2x. Okay. If you see here, now x3 and x. So x we can take out. So out of x3, x2 left, and here is only 2 left. Okay, because this x from here and 1x from here is out. So x2 and plus 2. Okay, I can explain you one more question like 3x5 and 4x square. So if you see number, sort out numbers first. So it is 3 here and it is 4. Put bracket. So 3 and 4, there is nothing common. So we can't take anything out. Yeah. But if you see here, x is 5 and x is 2. Okay. So what we can take maximum here? So maximum we can take here x2 from here and x2 from here. So once x2 is out, so 3 is already here. Out of x5, if x2 is out, so basically this is division sign. So x5 divided by x2, that is indices rule, 5 minus 2, that is x3. So we can write down here x3, or otherwise you can do it baby way. X5 means there are 5x, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and x2 and you can cancel top x by bottom x, so x3 left. Okay, so 4 is staying. X2 is already out, so the place is empty. You can wanna write down 1 or don't write anything, it's okay. So 3x cube plus 4 is answer. Okay, so now what you need to do, I'm giving you some practice questions and you can try. Okay, so these are the 6 questions. You can pause the video and have a go. And then once you have finished, so sit quietly and I can explain each and every answers, then you can check your working against my working. Okay, please pause the video and have a go. Welcome back. If you have tried, yeah. So let's sort out number first. Here is 3 and here is 5. Nothing is common, okay? But if you see here, here is x3 and here is x1, okay? So at least one x is common. So that x is coming out, just 3 left inside. Out of x3, one x is out, so x is square, then this plus sign and this 5, and one x is already out, so that's 1. So 5 times 1 is 1. Okay, again here I'm sort out number first. So 5 and 15, highest common factor is definitely 5. So 5 is out. So we are left with x is square, and 15 divided by 5 is 3 and x. Now we can sort out x. So here is x is square and x. So 1x from here and 1x from here can come out. So 5 is already there. X is out. So out of 2x, 1x is out. So 1x left. And this is minus. 1x is out. So that is 3 left. Okay. So 5x, x minus 3. Here again, sort out the number first. So it is 3 and 30. So what will be a highest common factor here? So it is 3 only. So 3x squared, 3 is out. So x square left. And 30 divided by 3, that is 10 and x. Now we can sort out this x square. Here x is 2 and here x is 1. Okay, so how many x's can come out from here and from here? 1x from each term. So x square, 1x is out, so 1x left. 10x, 1x is out, so 10 left. Okay, 5x square minus 15. Sort out your number first, that is 5 and 15. Okay, so 5 is out. Okay, so x square left, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So we cannot take out x because x is available here, but there is no x, so we can leave this question here. Okay, now here x3 minus 10x, sort out the number first. So there is no number, it means 1 is there. So 1 and 10, nothing common. Yeah, so 1 can be out, so no need to write down. Let's sort out only letters, that is x has 3 and here x is 1. Okay, so how many maximum x's we can take from both the terms? Definitely x out. So out of x3, one x is out, so it is x square, this minus sign, and 10, this place is empty, so x square minus 10. Okay, now sort out the number first. So here is 40 and here is 10. Okay, so 40 and 10. So what you need to do, what is the highest common factor here? So definitely it is 10. So 10 is out. 40 divided by 10 is 4 and it is x minus 10 divided by 10 is 1. Okay, now I'm giving you some extension question. So if you are okay with this, then you can try extension question. Okay, so I'm going to give you now. Okay, you can try these questions, and this is here it is 15 in this part G, I part it is J square, 15J square K. Okay, so you can start doing this question, pause the video and have a go. And once you have done, you can ask your teacher and they can explain the answers here. So pause the video and have a go. So if you have tried this question, you can check your answers here. So here we stop for today's lesson, and in next lesson we are going to learn factorizing with double brackets. Today we have more focused on single bracket. So in next lesson we are going to learn more about factorization with double brackets. Okay, so till then, goodbye. Thanks for watching.